Have you ever thought of singing and sending a unique song to your friend or someone you love? Or even have you ever thought that you can earn money on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok with music and songs? You don't have to be a musician or even a singer. You can easily use AI for this. In this video, I want to introduce you to an AI that you can use to create music and beats. It can be really amazing. VoiceMod is an AI for audio and free music editing. First of all, sign up on this site. Registration on this site is free. You can sign up with your Google account or enter your email here. To make music, go to text to song page. As you can see, you have too many music templates, and you can listen to them. Now to start your journey, click on this option here. Here in this part you have 4 steps: song, singer, lyrics, share with your friends. In this section, you have pre-made musics. You can listen to any of these songs and finally choose the one you like. For example, I choose this one. Click on next option. Now it's time to choose your singer. You can listen to each of them again and choose your favorite singer. Now I choose this one based on my taste. Click on next. Now here, as you can see, you have to write down your lyric. If you don't have lyric, don't worry. You can use ChatGPT, one of the best AI tools for content writing. Here I just ask it this. Write a love lyric for a boy with blue eyes and blue hair in 150 character. And in a few seconds you have your lyric. Here you can copy it from ChatGPT and paste it here in your song generator AI. A little lower, you can change the song name and singer name. For example, I change this one. And finally, click on this option to generate your song. After waiting for a few seconds, you can play the generated song. It has 2 options: voice and music, only voice. It is up to you to choose which one.
In hues of blue love's sweet refrain, his azure gaze my.
It is amazing. You can download and use it. In order to be able to work better and earn money with AI tools, it is better to take a slow step and not go to the giant of the last stage at once. Start with small ideas and gradually expand the work. I put the link in the description. If you are interested in AI tools and want to know more, be sure to subscribe and like. Until the next video.